Alright guys, salut les gars. Donc, well, we're gonna break Rookie Anthology 4 boxes. So, just want to make sure, guys, can you hear me? Can you see me? Just gonna wait for OK. Yeah? Yeah, Sir François. Ça va bien, François? So this is Charles. I'll be your breaker tonight. Ah ouais, pas pire, pas pire. So let's go. So 4 boxes of Rookie Anthology. It's a nice product. So I'm just gonna take the plastic off. Okay. So 5 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. So 5 cartes par boîte, 10 paquets. So bonne chance tout le monde, good luck everybody. Okay, so our first auto for the Boston Bruins, Jerome Iginla. So let's see here. For the Minnesota Wild, rookie out of 249 of Darcy Kumper, dual jersey auto. So far, so good. So we have a rookie select for the Winnipeg Jets, Ben Chariot. I don't think we're gonna be sending like score updates and stuff. Hot rookies, but we'll see. But the gold hot rookies, yes. So we have one for Pittsburgh Penguins, Oli Mara, hot rookie gold. And oh wow, 2 out of 10. A gold rookie of Nathan McKinnon. Wow. Beautiful out of 10.
Sweet. Qui est Colorado?
I'm not sure. Big hit for Colorado. Marc Tremblay, je pense. I think it's Mark that has Colorado. Toronto Maple Leafs, Mason Raymond. Prism update. And we have our first prime jersey for the LA Kings out of 50, Tyler Toffoli. And Reed Boucher for the New Jersey Devils, rookie. And for the Montreal Canadiens silhouette, out of 99, Michael Bournival. Beau hit pour le Canadien.